In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to draw in Miro, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Drawing in Miro is incredibly useful for brainstorming, visual collaboration, wireframing ideas, and explaining concepts clearly to your team or clients. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use the pen tool, the highlighter, smart drawing, and the eraser tool with confidence. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into your Miro account and open the board where you want to draw. Make sure you have the correct permissions to edit the board. If you only have view access, you won't be able to draw or make changes. Once your board is open and ready, take a look at the left-hand toolbar. This is where all your drawing tools live. To start drawing, select the pen tool from the left toolbar. The pen tool allows you to draw freely on the canvas, just like using a digital pen. After selecting it, you can customize the color and thickness of your lines from the options that appear. This is great if you want bold lines for diagrams or thinner lines for sketches and notes. To draw, simply click and hold your left mouse button, then move your cursor across the canvas. Release the mouse button when you're done drawing. You can repeat this as many times as you want to add more shapes, arrows, or handwritten notes. Next, let's talk about the highlighter tool. The highlighter is perfect for emphasizing important areas on your board without completely covering what's underneath. You can use it to highlight text, draw attention to specific sections, or mark key ideas during meetings. Just select the highlighter from the toolbar, choose your color, and draw over the area you want to emphasize. Because it's semi-transparent, everything underneath remains visible. Now, one of the most powerful features in Miro is smart drawing. When smart drawing is enabled, Miro automatically converts your hand-drawn shapes into clean, professional-looking shapes. For example, if you draw a rough circle, Miro will turn it into a perfect circle. The same applies to rectangles, straight lines, and arrows. This is extremely helpful when you want your board to look neat without spending time manually adjusting shapes. Just draw naturally and let Miro do the cleanup for you. If you make a mistake or want to remove something, the eraser tool has you covered. Select the eraser from the left toolbar and simply click or drag over any pen or highlighter strokes you want to remove. This only affects drawn elements, so you don't have to worry about accidentally deleting sticky notes or other objects unless you select them separately. As you continue drawing, don't be afraid to zoom in and out of the canvas to get more precise control or a better overview of your work. Drawing in Miro becomes even more powerful when combined with other tools like sticky notes, shapes, and connectors, allowing you to build complete visual workflows and ideas. And that's it. You now know how to draw in Miro using the pen tool, highlighter, smart drawing, and eraser tool. If this video helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe for more Miro tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.